Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to compare the original and the enhanced photos in Remini. So if you happen to use Remini and you enhance your photo, if you want to compare the original version of the photo and the enhanced photo, you're in the right place. So to do that, open your Remini application. So I want to choose a photo to enhance in this context. So I'll come to photos over there. Then I will scroll down gently and look for a photo to enhance. So I'll enhance this photo over here of this person here. So I'll choose enhance. So after choosing enhance, I'll basically just need to wait for it to enhance. Then I continue and I show you what it will be. Alright, so you need to be patient, and as you can see, it's done. Boom. So to compare the enhanced photos and the ones of the original version, when you finish enhancing, you have this line in the middle over here. So when you drag this line this side, you'll see how the photo looks like after enhancement. So when you drag it to the right, you'll see how it was before enhancement. So as you can see, when I put it in the middle, this side is for before, then here is for after. Okay, so that's how to compare the original version to the enhanced version of the photo in AI Remini application. Alright, thank you for watching. Please leave a like and we shall meet in the next video.